Good evening. Welcome to Mario's restaurant. How are you today?
Good evening. I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm very well, thank you. Do you have a reservation?
No, I don't have a reservation. Is that okay?
Yes, that's fine. We have tables available. How many people?
Just me. I'm alone today.
Perfect. Please follow me. Here is a nice table by the window.
Thank you. This table is very nice. I can see the street.
Yes, it's a good view. Here is your menu. Would you like something to drink first?
Yes, please. Can I have some water?
Of course. Still water or sparkling water?
Still water, please. And do you have orange juice?
Yes, we have fresh orange juice. Small or large?
Small, please. How much is it?
The small orange juice is $3.
Okay, that's good.
Great. I'll bring your drinks in a moment. Please look at the menu.
Thank you. Excuse me, can you help me? This menu is difficult for me.
Of course, no problem. What kind of food do you like?
I like chicken and pasta, but I don't eat beef or pork.
I understand. We have very good chicken pasta. It's very popular.
What is in the chicken pasta?
It has chicken, pasta, tomatoes, and cheese. It's delicious.
That sounds good. Is it spicy?
No, it's not spicy. It's mild. Do you want to try it?
Yes, I think so. But first, do you have salad?
Yes, we have many salads. We have Caesar salad, Greek salad, and garden salad.
What is in the garden salad?
Garden salad has lettuce, tomatoes, carrots, and cucumbers.
Do you have dressing?
Yes, we have Italian dressing, ranch dressing, and vinaigrette.
I'll take the garden salad with Italian dressing, please.
Excellent choice. So that's garden salad and chicken pasta. Anything else?
Wait, please. How big is the chicken pasta?
It's a regular size. It's enough for one person. Not too big, not too small.
Perfect. And how much is everything?
The garden salad is $6 and the chicken pasta is $12.
So $18 total?
Yes, that's right. $18 before tax.
Okay, that's fine for me.
Great. Here are your drinks. The food will be ready in about 15 minutes.
Thank you. The orange juice is very good.
I'm glad you like it. Are you from here?
No, I'm not from here. I'm from Canada. I'm visiting for work.
Oh, that's nice. How long are you staying?
I'm staying for 1 week. This is my first time in this city.
Welcome to our city. Do you like it here?
Yes, I like it very much. The people are very friendly.
That's wonderful to hear. Are you staying in a hotel?
Yes, I'm staying at the Grand Hotel. It's very nice.
I know that hotel. It's very good. Are you here alone?
Yes, I'm traveling alone, but I like it. I can do what I want.
That's great. Independent travel is fun. Excuse me, I'll check your food.
Thank you.
Good news! Your salad is ready. Here you go.
Thank you very much. This looks delicious.
Please enjoy. Your pasta will be ready in 5 minutes.
This salad is very fresh. I love the tomatoes.
I'm happy you like it. We get fresh vegetables every day.
That's good. I can taste the difference.
Here is your chicken pasta. Be careful, the plate is hot.
Thank you. Wow, this looks amazing.
I hope you enjoy it. Can I get you anything else?
Maybe some Parmesan cheese?
Of course. Here you go. Would you like black pepper too?
Yes, please. Just a little.
Perfect. How does it taste?
It's delicious. The chicken is very tender.
I'm so glad you like it. That's our chef's special recipe.
Please tell the chef it's excellent.
I will definitely tell him. He'll be very happy to hear that.
The pasta is cooked perfectly too. Not too soft, not too hard.
We call that al dente in Italian. It means to the tooth.
Al dente. That's interesting. I'm learning new words today.
That's right. Food is a good way to learn language.
Yes, I agree. Can I ask you something?
Of course. What would you like to know?
What other restaurants do you recommend in this city?
Well, if you like Italian food, there's Bella Vista on Main Street.
What kind of food do they have?
They have pizza, pasta, and seafood. Very authentic Italian.
That sounds good. What about breakfast places?
For breakfast, I recommend Sunnyside Cafe. They have great pancakes.
I love pancakes. Where is it?
It's on Oak Street, near the park, very close to your hotel.
Perfect. I'll go there tomorrow morning.
Great choice. They open at 7 in the morning.
7 is perfect for me. I wake up early.
Are you finished with your meal?
Almost. Can I have the dessert menu?
Of course. We have chocolate cake, ice cream, and apple pie.
What flavors of ice cream do you have?
We have vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, and mint.
I'll have vanilla ice cream, please.
Would you like anything on top? We have chocolate sauce and whipped cream.
Just whipped cream, please.
Coming right up. Would you like coffee with dessert?
Yes, please. Do you have decaf coffee?
Yes, we do. Regular coffee or decaf?
Decaf, please. I don't want caffeine late in the evening.
Good choice. Here's your ice cream and coffee.
Thank you. Everything looks perfect.
You're welcome. Take your time with dessert.
This ice cream is very creamy. I like it a lot.
It's made fresh here every day.
Really? That's impressive. And the coffee is good too.
Thank you. We use good coffee beans from Colombia.
I can tell. It's very smooth.
I'm glad you're enjoying everything. Are you ready for the check?
Yes, please. Can I pay with credit card?
Yes, we accept all major credit cards.
Perfect. And I'd like to leave a tip.
That's very kind of you, but not necessary.
I want to. The service was excellent.
Thank you so much. Here's your check. The total is $22.
$22? The food was $18.
Yes, plus $3 for the ice cream and $1 for the coffee.
Oh, right. I forgot about the dessert and coffee.
No problem. Here's the card machine.
I'll add a $5 tip. Is that okay?
That's very generous. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You made my evening very pleasant.
It was my pleasure. I hope you enjoyed your first dinner in our city.
I did. I'll definitely come back before I leave.
We'd love to see you again. Have a wonderful rest of your trip.
Thank you. Have a good evening.
You too. Take care.